Hi, in this video I want to show you how you can make any coding agents like Codex, Cursor, Claude Code to generate not just code but to generate images. We will be using Nebius Token Factory, but you can use it with any image API, for example, Nano Banana, so Gemini API, or you can use OpenAI API to generate images, whatever API you want. So I have this project open, and what we need to generate images is called skills. Skills is something that is supported by most of the modern coding agents like Cursor, Claude Code, and Codex. Skill is a folder which usually has this skill.md file, which is a main skill describing what agent can do with this skill. And the nice thing about skills is called scripts. So you can put executable script in like any language you want inside the skill. And it means that if agent loads the skill and reads skill.md file, it can execute the script inside the skill. So what we're going to do, we're going to create a skill that has this skill.md and has a script to generate an image using API and see how it can be integrated into the coding agent. For API, we will be using Nebius Token Factory. So if you go to text to image, they have two models, and we can select Flux1 Schnell. So because I work with JavaScript project, I would use JavaScript code here. So here is the example of how this Nebius Token Factory API can be used to generate image. I will be using Codex in order to create a skill. So we can type skill creator, and the skill creator is a skill itself, and we can use it to generate a skill, or you can create a skill manually, or you can just guide any agent like Claude Code or Cursor how to create a skill. So we have the skill creator, and I say generate a skill in this project that will generate images using Nebius Token Factory, script to generate images. And then I just passed the example from official Nebius Token Factory docs. Use Nebius API key from env local in this project. Put skill into agents/skill folder. So I put all my skill into agents folder, and then I have symlink for .claude and .codex. So we have the same skills available for all agents we have and all agents I use. Let's run this prompt. Okay, now we have our skill created. There is Nebius image generator folder. We have the skill.md. So it has name, description, and some like guidelines on how to run the script to generate image itself, like example. And we have the script to parse environment file and to actually call the API in order to generate an image. Now let's see how we can use it. So I'm still in Codex, and I'm going to stop it for now and just restart it. If I do /skills and list skills, I will see my Nebius image generator skill. But just like without typing skills, you can just say use Nebius image generator to generate image of software development typing code, put it into app/page.tsx. Let's run. Okay, so the agent is ready. So what happened is the agent automatically loaded the script into context and the skill into context. So by default, all the skills, they are not in the context, so they're not spending like tokens for you and not spending API usage. So it loaded the script, it executed the script, and it put the image into correct folder of my project and modified the page.tsx to display the image. So now we have this image of software developer on our page, which I asked it to add to. So skills, as you can see, is more than just like pre-saved prompts, and you can use skills in order to like extend the capabilities of any agents, and you cannot be limited by just calling like image generation API. You can call LLMs, you can interact with database or call any other internal or external API you want. So it's just limited with your imagination. Please subscribe to our channel. We post videos every week about some tips and tricks of how to use coding agents. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.